On the occasion of Rabindra Jayanti, we are here to celebrate his timeless legacy at Red Rock. We will be asking our team few questions. Let's see how they will do it. Complete the song Jodi Tor Dak Shune Kyo Na Ashe.
তবে একলা চলো রে।
Which of the following works by Tagore is a novel? Give the answers. You'll get three options. One is Kabuliwala, The Post Office, and The Nokadubi.
কাবুলিওয়ালা।
What is the title of Rabindranath Tagore's first collection of poetry?
কবি কাহিনী।
Rabindranath Tagore's famous poem collection Gitanjali is about?
Poems.
Tagore wrote the national anthem of which country besides India?
বাংলাদেশ।
Rabindranath Tagore's famous poem collection Gitanjali is about? Where was he born?
জোড়াসাঁকোর, কলকাতা।
Sing one song of Rabindra Songit.
মোর ভাবনারে কি হাওয়ায় মাতালো দোলে মন দোলে অকারণ হরষে